Hi there folks, my name is Ivan, I'm author of Lightpad, the aesthetic calendar, which many people love for how it looks and feels. In today's video, I want to offer you an initial setup guide. We'll create some tags and choose some gorgeous gradients for them. Then we'll create a loose schedule for a week that will give you a sense of progress. So let's begin. So we begin here on lightpad.ai, and I will log in with Facebook. This is Timeflow. The first thing you see, this string of dates is called Timeflow. It indicates current date in here, and if I pull it downwards or upwards, you see it's changing, but it started to indicate today because it's different from the current date. If I click on today, I get recentered back onto today. So let's add a few tasks for this weekend and the upcoming week. I'll just add a lot of groceries. So I type groceries and I hit enter and it creates a task. It confirms creation. So now I'll just copy this text and I will just spam it. Yes, lots of groceries on this Saturday. Lots of groceries on Monday. And for the rest of the week, I'll just spam empty tasks just to give you a sense of how it looks like with your normal schedule. So just hit spam enter and that's it. Yes. So normally, yes, when you have this week, this gives you, so Timeflow gives you overview of your week, how busy is each day. You can easily see it. You can see these little squares, empty ones. They're empty for now. And so if I want to get into day's details, I click on the date and I see the details, the task descriptions. So if I want to mark any of them as completed, I click on the check mark and you see this animation and it gives you your dopamine and sense of progress. You can also see that day's progress is also going forward. So when it's all done, the day's progress is at 100%. You can also see that completed tasks now have filled squares. So this gives you a quick overview of what is completed and what's not. Also note that when I hover over a date, it gives me a sneak peek into day's details, this small preview. Now let's talk about customization and structure. In Lightpad, you can organize your content around tags. You see this hovering menu here? So if I click on this branches button, tags menu opens up, and if I click plus, I can create new tags. So I'll create a tag called lightpad. Okay, I press OK, and I will create another one. I again click add button, and in the title of a tag, I type in travels, and I click OK. Now when I click on the tag, for instance lightpad filters out all the content that doesn't have this tag. So I'll create just a few more tasks called, let's call them add features and fix bugs. I copy this text and yeah, I just spam it a bit. So now you see those new tasks. I will create a few tasks for my travels tag. So book tickets once again, and hotels again. And now back to tags. When you click this branches icon and you see the list of tags, when you switch between them, you see different tasks appear back again. So if you click all branches, you will see all of your tasks, including the new ones, including Lightpad tasks and travels, those that we created previously. Now let's talk a bit about customization. For each tag, you can select a gradient. There are many of them. So for the whole tag, there was selected a honeydew. I really like it. But yeah, let's go with, for instance, with this cocoa ice. And yeah, so now show that. And you can also select a color for those little squares. So we can go for black. And yeah, and now all the squares tagged with default tag are black. And if we can also choose, and yeah, same thing for lightpad and for other tags. So for lightpad we can select different gradient. Let's use sky, and we can select different tag, different this square color. So now you see that lightpad tasks are of a different color. So, and when I go to lightpad, it's those are again different colors. So, and yeah, for travels, let's go for Dania. Yeah, this one. And yeah, you can also choose your own font color. Yeah, so we can go this light pink. And yeah. So now you see that the date color is also changed. Yeah, so that's it for this video. So once again, you can click on a date to add new tasks, type what you want to do, hit enter, new task is added. Then you can switch between tags to structure your content, and you can always customize them with gradients, tag colors, and font color. So, and when the task is completed, just click this checkmark icon and get your sense of progress. Voila, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. And if you have any questions or feedback or nitpicks or kudos, all of them are really welcome at hello@lightpad.ai and on Twitter at lightpad_AI. Cheers, folks, and have a good one.